The economic situation in the world today has made it obvious that we all need more than one source of income. However, when most people think of multiple sources of income, they think of getting a second job. In this video, I want to show you a better way to make more money without necessarily doing more work. Welcome to the Cash Cartel, a safe haven for future billionaires and innovative thinkers. According to Warren Buffett, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. This is one of the greatest secrets of the richest people on earth. They have learned how to make more money without doing more work through passive income. This simply means having a source of income that requires little or no effort from you to make money, although you may need to do some upfront work. Without further ado, let's get straight into some passive income ideas that can make you wealthy. Number 1. Rental property. Many rich people in the world today understand the importance of real estate. That is why it remains one of their favorite investments. The population of the world is ever increasing, and people will always require a place to live. Therefore, investing in rental properties is an excellent source of passive income that is predictable and reliable. Another benefit of investing in real estate is that it offers several tax benefits. For instance, income from real estate is classified as capital gain, and it is taxed differently from employment income. Other tax benefits you can get from real estate include depreciating the value of an asset for tax and deducting the operating and managing costs of your property. So, how do you start making passive income from real estate? Firstly, you can make passive income from real estate through long-term rentals. This involves renting out your properties to tenants for an extended period, usually from 6 months upwards. However, if you do not have enough money to buy a new property to rent out, you can do short-term rentals. A good example of this is listing spaces you are not using in your house on Airbnb. Finally, you can still make money from real estate even if you don't have enough money to buy a property. You can invest in a real estate investment trust, or REITs, and make passive income through dividends. And this will take us to the next passive income idea. Number 2. Investing in dividend-paying stocks. Investing in the stock market simply means that you are buying the ownership of a company. For instance, if you buy 10 shares of a company that has 100,000 shares, what you simply did was that you just bought 0.01% of the company. Dividend, on the other hand, is the profit that a company pays its shareholder. Let's assume that a company pays a dividend of $1 per share. Using the previous example, you would be entitled to $10 every time the dividend is paid. Dividend investing is a profitable strategy where you look for companies that pay a dividend to receive regular income for your investment. Why this is better than regular investing without a dividend is that you don't have to wait to sell your shares before you can make a profit. In regular stock investing, you only make a profit if the company becomes valuable and you sell your shares. Number 3. Investing in an index fund. Many people consider investing in the stock market a risky investment, and this is true. Although all forms of investment involve some level of risk, there are others with minimal risk and greater returns. One such investment is the index fund. The index fund is simply a type of mutual fund, or ETF, that consists of stocks, bonds, and other investments that are designed to track an underlying index, like the S&P 500 or Dow Jones Industrial Average. Because of the historical return on index funds, they are often considered as one of the safest and easiest ways to build wealth. Also, they are highly recommended by some of the richest people in the world, like Warren Buffett and Mark Cuban. Historically, the stock market has always performed better than actively managed funds, with an average annual return of about 10%. Number 4. YouTube. Another profitable passive income idea that you can start today is uploading videos on YouTube. Presently, YouTube is the second largest search engine and one of the most visited websites on the internet. With billions of people watching videos online every month, you are missing out if you don't have a YouTube channel. Firstly, you can make money from YouTube by meeting the requirements of the YouTube Partner Program and earn when ads are displayed on your video. Although this is the most common method that most people know, this is just one of the many methods. You can also make money by selling your products on YouTube or promoting other people's products. Another way to make money from your videos is by becoming an affiliate marketer and earning a commission each time someone buys a product you recommend through the link you provided. Number 5. Write a book. Becoming an author has never been as easy as it is today. Gone are the days when you have to spend months on a book and still not risk making any money from it because of the long processes. Today you can become an author in just a few days or weeks without going through the old process of looking for a publisher. Writing a book is an excellent source of passive income because you only need to write it once and sell it as many times as possible. Thanks to advanced technology, many people prefer to read ebooks on phones and computers, so you don't even have to print a copy. Now, the next question that you may have is how are you going to sell your books? With a platform like Amazon, you can become a self-published author in less than a week. Such platforms have made the process of editing, designing, and uploading your book seamless. They've done the major part of the work for you, and all you need to do is to upload your book. You can also sell your book directly on your blog or even to your viewers if you have a YouTube channel. Number 6. Online courses. Although this is similar to writing a book, it is totally different. You can write a book on any topic or create a fictional story that doesn't exist. However, online courses are practical guides that help people achieve a particular goal or solve a problem. For example, an online course can be about how to lose weight without going to the gym or how to prepare a certain type of meal. Another difference between online courses and writing a book is that online courses can be in different formats such as video, audio, or text. Now, what you need to know about online courses is that it is an excellent way to generate passive income. Also, an online course can be about anything that you know so well that you can teach others. The benefit of online courses is that you can record a video of yourself teaching something once and start making money from it for a very long time. You will be surprised at the number of people willing to pay any amount to know the things that you know. Therefore, take advantage of the internet and create a practical guide that people can benefit from and start making money when they buy from you. Number 7. Mining cryptocurrency. It is no longer news that cryptocurrency is the new big thing. It is a revolution in technology that is here to stay, as well as an excellent way for you to earn passive income. One of the ways to earn passive income from cryptocurrency is through mining. Cryptocurrency mining is the process by which new cryptocurrency are generated. It involves the use of specialized computers that are capable of solving complex mathematical equations. Miners are rewarded with cryptocurrency for every successful coin mined. You can earn passive income by investing in mining equipment while you watch your account increase. These are just a few passive income ideas that you can follow and start making more money today. Take action now. Continue watching our videos so that you can begin the journey and unlock infinite wealth and success in your life today.